Hi, if there's a corporate design relaunch coming up in your organization, this video should be very interesting to you. Because when a corporate design relaunch is due, you will probably think about new office templates immediately. However, you should not only think about the new office templates that are, to be honest, not too difficult to create, but think about all the presentations people have made in the past or previous years, and that they have to migrate most of these presentations manually to the new template if there's no help. And here comes Empower into play. Today, in this short video, I want to show you how easy it is with our software Empower to migrate old presentations into a new template. And I've brought along a little example. In our company, we had a redesign 5 years ago. And I think it's a pretty common redesign. So we have a new logo, we have new colors, new fonts, and maybe most importantly, a new format. So we decided to go from 4:3 to 16:9. So that's a lot of work if you want to do it manually. And I'll show it to you in an example. So I'm going to my desktop and I'm just opening up a presentation that is using the old template. So I open up the presentation and here comes the first cool thing. Without me having to click any single button in PowerPoint, Empower realizes that I'm using an outdated presentation. At least it realizes this presentation is not compliant with your corporate design. I'll see this with this red bar here that comes up through our software. So this makes me aware of the problem. I can just simply click on that button. And on the right-hand side, there's a corporate design check that shows me all the issues I have in my presentation. For example, I'm using the wrong template, wrong fonts, wrong colors, and you name it, all these things that we can check here in this corporate design checker. I can go through one by one, slide by slide if I want to, but most of the time I don't have the time to do that. So I can just use Empower's autocorrect functionality. I'll just click up here, and it does all the things with quite a few intelligent algorithms by its own. So you see the new template has been applied. I have everything according to the new format, like 16:9. You see nothing has been stretched. So there's an intelligent algorithm that avoids any stretched images. You can see that here it couldn't use the whole range, but parts of it. Same with the logos, not the full range could be used, but I have no issues with that, right? And here it worked very well. So I actually didn't have to do anything. It just took me 2 clicks to fix everything. And even in other cases, at least 80 to 90% of all the work will be automatically done by Empower. And this makes me really happy as a user because I don't waste any time migrating old presentations to the new template, what would be a big effort without Empower. And I can really enjoy the new corporate design and the new template and focus my time on what really matters and not changing templates. So that was the short demo. I just want to point out another video on our channel. It's from our client Merck. They have a short video where they talk about their experience with Empower. And the Merck story is so fascinating because they did a big corporate design relaunch a few years ago. And it was also a massive change in terms of not only slide format, but totally new logo, totally new fonts and colors. And it was really a big helper in this whole project for more than 50,000 people to make it a success and not a frustration for all the users. So thank you very much.